How can you make Google search private on the iPhone? Let me show you some options and possibilities that we have. Let's get started. And if you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So naturally, when you go to the like Safari web page or like a Google Chrome web browser, whatever, the history gets saved from the searches and all of the things. So you can open up like your all tabs view, and the first or the sure proof way to just make the search private is by switching from the regular mode to the private mode like that. You can start a new tab, go to Google, and you'll be able to look up whatever you want, and the history will not be saved in the iPhone, right? So you don't really have to worry about that. On the other hand, you can also make sure that you are not like signed in with your Google account, because if you are, your Google search history might also be saved, not within the iPhone's like search history, but literally on Google. So if you want to make it as private as possible, just make sure you are not signed in, because you can also see that nothing gets like associated with you. And if you are in the private mode, then not even the history gets saved. However, keep in mind that you can also check your past search history by going to myactivity.google.com, and you can log in with your Google account, and you'll be able to see the stuff that you are like watching on YouTube, for example, or the search history there. So yeah, that is something that you can also take a look at if you are interested. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you managed to set up your phone the way that you expected and wanted. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the next tutorials and videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.